In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an image using ChatGPT. If you've ever wanted to turn a clear idea into a picture without opening a complex design app, this is a quick, friendly way to do it. First, go to the text bar, the place where you usually type your messages. On the left side of that bar, you'll see a small plus sign. Click the plus sign to open the creation options. From that menu, choose Create Image. Selecting this tells ChatGPT that you're not asking for a written answer. You're asking it to generate an image instead. Once Create Image is active, you're ready to describe what you want. In the message box, add a detailed description and any context that will help bring your idea to life. Be specific about the subject, the setting, and the mood. You can include style cues like watercolor, photorealistic, cinematic, or minimalist. Mention lighting or camera angles if they matter, such as soft morning light, dramatic backlight, close-up, or wide shot. The clearer your words, the closer the result will be to your vision. Here's a useful structure for your description. Start with the main subject, add the environment, note the style, then include lighting and color. For example, a photorealistic portrait of a golden retriever wearing a red bandana, sitting in a sunlit kitchen, warm morning light, shallow depth of field, soft pastel color palette, or, for something more artistic, an isometric illustration of a cozy bookstore on a rainy evening, glowing windows, small plants on the sidewalk, rich teal and amber tones, clean vector style. When your description looks good, send it. ChatGPT will process your request and generate the image. This can take a moment, especially for detailed prompts. If the first result isn't quite right, refine your wording and send it again. Small changes, like clarifying the mood, the viewpoint, or the color scheme, often make a big difference. Keep your request consistent and avoid conflicting details so the model knows exactly what to prioritize. That's all there is to it. By clicking the plus sign, choosing Create Image, adding a thoughtful description, and sending it, you can turn ideas into visuals in minutes. Have fun exploring different styles and scenarios, and use clear, concrete language to guide the result. One last tip. Keep sentences simple and direct. List the most important elements first, and mention anything you want to avoid, like text on the image or extra people in the background. Clear intent helps the system deliver exactly what you have in mind.